Iran is back at the center of rising geopolitical risk. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has privately raised the possibility of a round 2 military strike on Iran, according to U.S. officials, following a recent meeting with President Trump. The warning comes after last year's brief but intense conflict, which both leaders publicly described as a success. Netanyahu argues more strikes may be needed to stop Iran from rebuilding its nuclear and missile capabilities. Trump has echoed that stance, saying the U.S. would act again if Iran makes verifiable moves to reconstitute its nuclear program, while also signaling he'd prefer a negotiated deal. The economic stakes for Iran are enormous. Sanctions remain tight, inflation is high, the rial is weak, and everyday costs, from food to housing to medicine, continue to rise. The threat of renewed military action only worsens capital flight, limits oil revenue, and deepens public frustration. Protests inside Iran increasingly reflect economic survival, not just politics. Iranian leaders have warned of a harsh response to any new attacks, while also calling for renewed negotiations. But talks have stalled, and analysts say the biggest near-term risk is miscalculation. One side acting preemptively based on intelligence fears. Looking ahead, Iran faces a narrowing path. De-escalate, return to diplomacy, and stabilize the economy, or risk deeper isolation, higher inflation, and another cycle of conflict. With 2026 already being discussed behind closed doors, the next year may determine whether pressure turns into negotiation or war.